Alright guys, so on to, is that a huge ass scratch on my phone? Yes, it is a huge ass fucking scratch. Okay, today's video is going to be about, well, honestly, I have no idea what it's gonna be about. I have no idea, but I've been having this issue with my 240. I don't know if any of you have had this issue with your 240. I'm gonna throw you the solution. Whenever your car doesn't start and you've already replaced the starter, you've checked all the fuses, and you keep trying to turn that key onto the, you try to crank it over, but it doesn't want to start. Okay, so biggest issue that would be, I keep saying would be, this guy right here, grab one, wrong one, this guy right here. So this guy is loose, okay? And you can see this plastic cover coming off. That's no bueno. That ain't good whatsoever. So what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this. This is called the ignition switch. You can get it at any local auto parts store whatsoever. I'm in quarantine, so I really don't know if you guys have an auto parts store that's open right now, but my auto parts store is already closed. I didn't buy one new. I actually took one off the old 40 that I bought not too long ago, then sold again. Haha. Bought and sold after. So here it is. It's pretty easy and simple. You just follow this wire down. I don't have light whatsoever, and it's gonna use my other phone because I'm recording with one of my phones. Damn it. Hold on. So follow this cable, right? Yeah, can you see? Alright, this is so shitty, guys. I'm so sorry. So you follow this brown cable down in here, and holy fuck, mine was massacred. Jesus fuck. So this isn't gonna be an easy fix. Unfortunately, mine isn't gonna be an easy fix, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to splice into it. I am not sure. I'm gonna check if this bolt is just loose whatsoever, and if that fixes the issue, I'll try it. Give me 1 sec. How bad is it? Please don't tell me it's pretty bad. Oh my god, it's that bad. Okay guys, so my cable this isn't my cable that's connected right into my car, but mine's actually pretty fucking bad. So I looked at it, and like this around this area right here, exactly where this one is like cut, there's a shit ton of wires spliced into the power, a couple to the ground, and a couple to the yellow one right there. So I'm not gonna show you how to take, well, I'll explain how to take it off. So you see this pigtail right here, I call it a pigtail, I don't know what you guys would call it, or this like connector right here. So you would have to find one exactly with brown. You would follow the brown, cover the whole wire or whatever, follow it to the source and unplug it. And then once you bought the new one, which is this one, you go ahead and connect it in there, and then of course put this guy down, facing down like that, exactly like that one right there. You see the bolt right there. I don't know if you guys Where's it at? See that bolt right there? Okay, that screw, you take it off and you put the new one in there. Oh, this is just such a shitty video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying my best, though. Oh my god, okay, hold on. This guy goes over there. I gotta take this out. I still haven't explained how I took the covers off, which would be this guy. And I don't know where I put the other one. I recently went to go buy a bed frame. Bed frame. So sorry. So these two, I took off my car. There's a total of, let's see, 2, 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total of 6 screws that hold the bottom one in place to the top piece cover. And you're gonna unscrew all of those. Quick example. So this guy would be right under here, you know, in that area right there. You would unscrew all of those screws, and then what I first did, I brought all the steering wheel all the way down, took the top cover off, then I made the steering wheel go up, and then took the bottom cover out. It's pretty easy, simple to do. To get to the cable, I wouldn't usually take this part out because, you know, it's just a connector, but in this case I'm gonna have to do it because mine is all spliced and, you know, spliced into other wires, unfortunately. So hopefully you guys have it a lot easier than I do, because right now I'm gonna have to see what's going on there, why all those wires are fucked, you know, like, you know, I don't even know how to say it. I'm gonna see if I have a 10 mil, and if not, I'll catch you guys on the next one, but just bear with me. Wait, can a screwdriver go? Oh, 10 mil. I forgot my keys to unlock my huge ass toolbox I have in the garage over there. God damn it. Wait, where'd I put my keys? Alright, it took long. Not what I was trying to do, but I found... Oh, you guys are upside down. I got a 10 mil with the ratchet. So there's gonna be a total of... in order to take this part, if you guys do want to take it off, this whole section, there's a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck. Oh, my wallet. Just bear with me. Bear with me. And fucking. Oh, shit. I wish I had that YouTube Magic right now, but I don't. I can't afford it because of this whole fucking quarantine shit. Ah, my god. Alright, there we go. One screw out. Unfortunately, that took forever. This is a time and place where you guys want to invest in power tools, like little impact guns, you know, like those come in handy. DeWalt, Makita, Kawasaki? No, is it? No. You know, you want to invest in tools like that, and if you're cheap about it, go to Harbor Freight. I would recommend. They have pretty cheap power tools as well. That way you don't have to spend a whole lot of money, you know. And I'm also running out of daylight, so it kind of does suck that I decided to do this at the last minute. What? This one wasn't even tight. Damn. Oh my god, this sucks. I never tightened this guy up, unfortunately. Which I do need to. Okay, so this is honestly what I meant by this guy is a huge clusterfuck. See that? So the cable is supposed to just connect to this guy right here, but unfortunately, look at those complications that I just ran into. Bam, bam. Oh, bam. You know, that ain't good whatsoever. I might just unplug it, cut it here, and leave it the way it is just to test out the new wire. And then just disconnect this guy right here and then plug the other one in over there. So yeah, this is a really weird setup. I have the 6 Plus recording, and then I have my 7 as a has a fucking flashlight for the camera. It's really weird. Fucking A. Alright. There we go. Disconnect that. So I'm disconnecting the oof. Thank God for magnetic screwdrivers. 8. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this guy out, see what happens. Gonna go ahead and do this guy. I keep pressing the damn pop-up headlight switch and they keep popping up. Alright, connect this guy real quick over here. And go ahead and try it out. Without any complications whatsoever. It starts right away with the new one. So if you guys have an issue where you guys struggle to start the car, I would recommend you guys checking your ignition switch cable and make sure you guys don't have any of those fuck ups. Look at all that wiring. It's so fucking horrible. Let me know if that was helpful for some of you guys, and I do apologize for the shitty